My family came here from Italy in the early 1900s. They originally settled in Buffalo, New York. My grandfather was the one that came to Florida originally in 1959. He loaded all his tractors, all his equipment from Buffalo, New York, and came down here and grew about 800 acres of beans and squash and peppers, and we've been here ever since farming. At Thomas Produce here, we grow bell peppers, cucumbers, squash. We grow a variety of hot peppers. We grow eggplant, and we grow watermelons.
There's a lot that goes into it. You have to worry about the weather. Can't really be harvesting during rainy conditions. You don't want a bruised up pepper, especially on this market. So being in South Florida, we have a lot of different pressures from pests, whether it's soil-borne diseases and other pests in the ground. So we prep the soil, we get rid of the weeds, get rid of the pests. So we give the transplant for whether it is pepper or seeded, whether it's a cucumber, we give the best chance to come out of the ground and survive. Other than that, we're out here harvesting pretty much on a daily basis.
We're doing like 16-acre plantings each week. So we start in the 1st of September to the middle of February. So we'll start out from planting it all by hand, and then the next step we'll go back, put out stakes, and then once the plant is a certain height, we'll tie it. And then roughly 60 to 70 days after we plant it, we'll be harvesting it.
All our vegetables are harvested by hand. We use H2A labor. They're guys that come seasonally, and they come verified. They pick at a contract rate, so they fill up their buckets as fast as they can with quality produce, run it to the truck, put it in the bin, and that's how we harvest everything out in the field. And there's no machine harvesting out here. They do all our field work as well. They do the staking, the tying of the pepper, the harvesting, and they help run the packing house.
The big change was how we've been marketing our produce the last 5 years. I founded a company called Harvest Fresh Partners. We started marketing for Thomas Produce Company, and then we moved up the coast and we aligned with a farm in Georgia, Lewis Taylor Farms, and then we represent another farm in North Carolina and a few watermelon farms up the coast. So we're trying to build year-round distribution for our large family farms that we represent. It's a grower-owned sales company, which makes it pretty unique. The benefit of us marketing our own product is we can go direct to the retailers and the food service companies and bypass some of the middlemen. So get you a fresher product direct from the farm, and you have these large retailers working directly with us to make sure we're doing all the right things and we're getting the freshest produce to the shelves. Farming is a really capital and labor intensive business. It's a very long and arduous process to get something from the field, from a seed, into the grocery stores.
All that goes into it before you even before a dollar's made, how much time and money and effort are really just raising a plant. It's just rewarding seeing, the growers and everybody put into it, and then that's the final product or final result of everyone's hard work.
I still get pretty excited when I walk in a store and see our label, in a store. It makes it all worthwhile. We love what we do. It's a labor of love, and we wouldn't do anything else.